Hola Ecofamily, soy Nube y me han hecho este super mega gimnasio para que yo pueda dormir y jugar muchísimo. Aquí tenemos así blandito para que yo pueda estar aquí. Una serpiente para jugar aquí. Después también me han puesto aquí colgado una cuerda con un taponcito y un mega rascador que lo utilizo muchísimo. Mirad, mirad, mirad. Por último me han puesto aquí una camita para que yo pueda dormir de invierno, otro rascador y unas ruedecitas para irlo cambiando de sitio. ¿Qué os parece el super mega rascador? Si queréis ver cómo se ha hecho, después de la intro veréis el paso a paso. ¡Hasta luego!
Low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, be waiting for you, my love. My summer love, be waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours. My love is forever yours.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you mine and my street. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny your love makes me feel alive. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try and to change it.
Y este es el resultado. Este pedazo de gimnasio que tenemos aquí, con su camita, aquí lo veis, el rascador, aquí tienen la zona acolchada que le sirve también de camita si le quieren para el verano, y otro rascador, y le hemos colgado, pues bueno, aquí con cuerdas de yute hemos colgado varios juguetes con corchos y eso para que juegue. ¿Qué os parece? Si os animáis a hacer uno, pues colgadme las fotos, etiquetarme en Amapola Farms, en mi Instagram, y os lo colgaré en Stories. ¿Os ha gustado? Espero que sí. Y compártelo con todos tus amigos para que no se pierdan, sobre todo si tienen gatos, pues este tip sencillo, muy económico, porque son todos materiales reutilizados, o casi todo, y fácil de hacer. No se necesitan muchas herramientas. Así que hasta pronto. Mira, ahí se está poniendo. ¿Vas a dormir un poquito, Nube? ¿O qué? No, se lo ha pensado.